In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to fix photos not showing on my TikTok. So what I had to do is that I had to close my TikTok app, and instead I had to go into my settings app on my phone here, as you can see. Then scroll down in here and click on apps, and then search for TikTok in here, as you can see, and click on the TikTok app. And now on the TikTok app, what we need to do in here is very simple. Click on photos, and you can see for me it says none here. So this means that TikTok doesn't get access to any of my photos or videos. You can do like this. You can either give them full access and they will have full access to your photos and videos, or you can click on limited access. And then you can just select those photos that you want to be able to give them limited access and then click on done. Or click on full access and click on allow full access. Completely up to you exactly how you want to be able to do it. I would suggest to just do limited access. In my opinion, that's easier, or not easier, but maybe more safer for you, of course. I don't know if you want to be able to give them full access, but it's completely up to you, of course. So yeah, you can just decide exactly what you want to be able to do here. And then once you have actually given them access to those photos or videos, you're now able to upload them on TikTok as well. So basically that is exactly how to do this.